What's up, friends? Got a good learning lesson in the food forest with you. I want to share our failures and our successes, because even our failures we're learning from. So we're talking interplanting, and the stuff from seed over here has really not came up. We put a lot of carrot seeds down over in this area between the tomatoes, and I've had similar problem with the back food forest where we've tried to do a lot of carrot seeds. So beyond just the water washing them out, I'm pretty sure you really have to have the wood chips out of the way and have a nice soil medium for the carrots, because the only thing interplanted in here is onions that I did by hand. So we really didn't have good success from seed over in this area as a interplanting. Although carrots are notoriously hard to come up, you can see it didn't work very good at all. And over here what I did was I tried to learn from our mistakes, and I made a really nice trough between these tomatoes. Got the wood chips out of the way, straight down the middle. I don't know if you can see all that green in there, but this is lettuce. So we are going to have more lettuce than we know what to do with on a 12-foot row here. And it should be cut and come again nice and close together. So make a trough, get them wood chips out of the way, and put down a little bit of soil if you're trying to germinate from seed. I think you'll have a lot better luck. And also we can trim them tomatoes up from the bottom like we want to do anyway to keep the mildew down. And that'll help give that lettuce a place to live where it can get a little bit of sunlight, but also be shaded from the hotter part of the year here. So hopefully they can work together good. Nice interplanting of some lettuce and some tomatoes. Obviously we always got the basil in there and a little marigold here or there to help keep pests away. Basil and the tomato are friends. So we got a couple of them getting bigger. But this one was mainly about just getting your wood chips out of the way, getting a little soil down if you're going from seed on your interplanting. And I hope you have some good success like we had in this row. See you on the next one.